Welcome back to the Spark Minds box with UTC Electrical Engineering. Today we're going to be doing box 2. But first, let's get a look into the details of box 2. Box 2 is very simple. All we have is a battery and a vibration motor, and the vibration motor is connected on each end, positive and negative, to the battery, and when it is connected, the motor vibrates. We will then put this contraption into a paper clip with stilts, which will then make it vibrate and move about. Now let's get into it. Alright, let's get into building box 2. Alright, inside box 2 we will have a paper clip, a vibrating motor, a button battery, some glue dots, and some pipe cleaner. You will also get some cardstock to work with. This project will also require scissors as additional equipment. You will also get a customization bag with customization items, like these googly eyes right here. We'll talk about this later. Let's get into the project. Alright, first we're going to get our paper clip, and then we're going to get our vibrating motor. Then you're going to peel the back off, like so, and put it on the very front, like so. So you'll have something like this. And use the paper clip to get it down on there good, and it should be stable. Alright, we're going to take our battery here, and we're going to keep in mind which side's the positive side and which side's the negative side. And if you can't remember, this is the positive side right here, denoted by that little plus sign, and this is the negative side here. It's the textured back. Alright, I want you to insert this battery all the way back, and I want you to keep in mind which side you have facing up and which side you have facing down. Alright, and just for simplicity's sake, if you want to go ahead and connect one of the leads right here and connect it to the corresponding side. The blue is the negative and the red is the positive. So it looks something like this. Alright, let's put this off to the side. Now it's time to make our legs. I want you to take your cardstock and your pipe cleaner, and we're going to cut strips into the cardstock. Alrighty, here are our strips here. You should make about 3 or however many sets of legs you want. It's up to you. And then you'll cut some lengths of pipe cleaner. Keep in mind however long you make these is however long your legs will be. Alright, here are 3 sets of legs. Make sure to keep them all around about the same length. And of course, you can make as many or as little legs as you want for your project. Next, we're going to be cutting out the fur in the center of these to make the glue dots stick better to it. Alright, it should look something like this. Alright, here's what they should look like. Let's get into the next step. Alright, I want you to take your glue dots, your strip, and your pipe cleaners. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to take one glue dot, like so. I want you to take the glue dot and stretch it out across the strip. It should look something like this. Then I want you to place your pipe cleaner onto the sticky parts of the glue dot and start folding this over. And if you have any extra left over, you can cut it off. Alright, we'll continue those steps until we've created all our legs. Alright, this is what your final product should look like. Now you may be asking, why do we do this? We do this to create a stable surface to attach the legs to. Alrighty, I want you to bring back your paper clip in. And let's go to the bottom here. And let's bring out our other set of glue dots. And let's start attaching these legs onto the bottom of this. Just peel off your glue dots and attach them. One thing to note, you'll probably want to glue down this side instead of this side, as this side is more flappy. Alrighty, now all we gotta do is bend our legs into place. Alright, and the final and most important step. This is critical. Very critical. We have to attach the googly eyes. Alrighty, now our guy is complete. All you have to do to start up the motor now and get him moving is to attach the other lead onto the battery. Just move your paper clip up just enough to get it in, but not enough to make the battery fall out. And then set him on the ground and look at him go. And it doesn't have to be this boring little guy either. Your project can be anything creative you desire, including this little grasshopper right here. Thank you for joining me for the creation of your little moving creatures for Box 2. I hope you enjoy creating them, and remember to be creative and spark your mind.